Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name's Anuja. I'm a Sri Lankan YouTuber that does beauty, lifestyle, and music videos. So I'm so glad that you've joined in. Today, I'm doing a different makeup look because even though I'm Sri Lankan and, you know, Bollywood and Indian influence is so high in Sri Lanka, I haven't really done an Indian glam look. And one of you guys really wanted to see one, so hence why I've done this. Essentially, this look is actually inspired by what I'm wearing, and this is a beautiful salva that was lent to me by my gorgeous friend whose name I'm not going to say because I don't know if she wants to be mentioned or not, but she knows who she is, so I love you and thank you. So this, as you can see, has a lot of like green hues. And this is sort of like the neckline of it, and there's pink hues going on the sleeve as well. And just at the bottom border, I will show you, this is what it looks like. So there's a lot of like green and pink going on, which is why I have pinkish hues on my top eyelid and then green on my bottom. Now, to create this look, I actually used two different palettes. The first one is my beloved Tarteist Pro or Tarteist Pro, and the second one is the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette. Now, this palette I mentioned briefly when I was doing my New Year's look, and these are the colors that they have. Obviously you can see that there's a lot of like bold, bright colors, which I love. And for this look, I used the Lime Time on my bottom lid. For the top lid, I used a couple of pinky purpley hues. This honestly is like a holy grail palette, to be honest. I recommend it to everyone, especially if you're my color, because their colors are so versatile on our skin and you can just create the most amazing looks with them. And for this one, I used a bit of the Orange Whimsy, the Pink Mod, Purple Drama, and a bit of like the Shimmer, Minx, and Glam. Such an easy look to achieve, and you can just dress it up or down as much as you can. The only earrings that I had that would go with this were these ones, but you know, with makeup you can enhance it with a lot of accessories. I think it turned out okay, but let me know what you think. Let's get to the tutorial and I will see you back. Now, the first thing that you want to do is prime your face because you want that eyeshadow to stick. And today, as always, I'm using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Original. I also want to say that I have primed my whole face as well. And for that, I was using my Aveeno Moisturizer and Farsali Unicorn Essence. So for the primer, you honestly need like the tiniest bit. And then just blend it with your finger. I think I do this with every eyeshadow look, but it just makes the eyeshadow build up really, really well. So I'm going to use this color, which is Whimsy, on my crease. And when you do that, sort of like go above the crease as well, because we'll be blending the hell out of everything. I'm going to start off really brave because I'm going to put this color, which is Mod, on the whole of my top eyelid. The next thing I'm going to do is go with that Orange Whimsy color and just go over the crease again. And you want to make like a slight wing with your eyeshadow, so just spread it to the outer corner like that. The next thing I'm going to do is put this color Drama, which is like quite a dark purple, on mostly the outer corners but also slightly in the inner corner. So don't send it too much to the middle, and go along the crease to the inner corner just a little bit. You may have also noticed that I was using the same brush for all three of those colors, and that's fine because you go from a light to dark color and it means less washing up afterwards, so go ahead and do that. Now the next thing I'm doing is actually just extending that outer corner a lot more using the dark purple drama and the pinky mod color. Next thing I'm going to do is actually put this lime time color on my lower lash line. I've never used this before, so I hope it comes out okay. It's like luminous green. Ooh. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this beautiful like champagne color, which is also quite shimmery as well, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner and just meet up with that green on the lower eyelid. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is line my upper waterline with black eyeliner and line my bottom waterline with a tan eyeliner. I actually want a bit of shimmer on my eyelids, so I'm going to go ahead with this beautiful purple shimmery minx color, and I'm just going to actually use my fingers and just pat a little bit to the middle of the eyelid. And that sort of adds like a 3D effect. The next thing I'm going to do is do a winged eyeliner because, you know, with Indian looks that's like crucial. And I'm using my Urban Decay Razor Sharp Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in the color Perversion. Next is mascara, and I want to do my brows because doesn't go with this look. Let me show you what I'm using. For the eyebrows, I'm using Ka-Brow by Benefit and the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit. These are like my holy grails when it comes to my eyebrows. It's so easy to apply and gives amazing results. But you can see how much of a difference good brows can actually do. The next sort of additional thing that I'm going to do is apply my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Biscuit, and I'm going to go just underneath my brows to define it, and I'm just going to pop some of that onto my brush and then just go underneath. And then I'm just going to set my eyebrows in place with the 24-Hour Setter. Now I'm going to tackle my lashes, and for this I'm actually going to use two different ones. So the first one is my Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and the other one that I'm going to use is this Maybelline Colossal Volume Express, and I think this is like the cat eye version. And this one I'm going to use on my bottom lashes because I feel like when I go with this one, it's got quite a big wand, so I just get it everywhere. And obviously if you are someone that is confident wearing fake eyelashes, this is the time to do it. The next thing you want to do is use any clean brush, and I'm just trying to blend in everything, especially at the top. Because you don't want any harsh lines there. The next thing I'm going to do is put my foundation, contour, blush and all that. But before I put anything, I'm going to color correct using my Stila color correcting palette. If you want to see more information about that, there is a video that I did solely on this product and how I do my color correcting. For the foundation, I thought I would just mix up 2 different foundations because I want sort of like a full coverage. So I thought I would use my NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the color Syracuse, which is my favorite, and it just matches my skin perfectly. And I'm gonna mix it with the Fenty Beauty. This is in the color 310, but I think I'm actually 330, but it's just when I ordered it I didn't know. But I'm hoping that when I mix it with the NARS, the color will come out okay. Fenty Beauty foundation is so runny, but it's really good coverage. Just gonna mix it and then just do my usual spots. And then using my trusty beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend everything in. And I'm gonna use whatever's left on my hand on the neck. And now I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand, and I'm gonna just highlight the points that I want to be brightened. And then I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is in the color NC42, just to set my makeup. And then I'm going to use my Iconic London Pigment Stick in the color 3.2, and this is to contour my cheeks. Just put some on your forehead as well, and your jawline. And then I'm going to go with my Fenty Beauty highlighter stick in the color Rum. This is a really gorgeous color. On my nose, on my chin, and just above the Cupid's bow. Last but not least are the lips, and I think I want to go for something like nudie, just because there's a lot going on up here. I'm going to line my lips using my MAC Spice liner. I'm not exactly sure what color I want to put, so I'm going to go ahead with Jeffree Star Velour lipstick in the color Leo, and if I need to I can just go over it with like a lighter color. I think I'm going to go in the middle of my lips with Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star. And the last thing you want to do is set all your makeup, and today I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime in the fragrance Rose. And there you have it, a beautiful pink and green eyeshadow look, ready for that Indian party occasion. So that is it, guys. That's the whole completed look. Let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or if you have any other recommendations. And it's the sort of look that you can pull off, you know, to a wedding, to a party. If you like this and you want to keep watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and support my channel and myself. I will be back with you guys with another video really, really soon. So until then, have an amazing week ahead.